Can anybody tell me throughout an example what is communication?
So I would like to start with what do we understand by communication. First of all, I want to explain it. So the way how we deliver our thoughts, the way how we explain whatever we want to say, it's called a communication. Communication is play a very important role for each and everyone. People who are doing job, people who are doing business, student or teacher. If you have a good communication skill, you can grow, you can get achievement. And as Bhaiya asked that, give an example of a good communication skill. We have lot of example, people who communicate with well. Like I have one example which people all we know that Sandeep Maheshwari, the way he communicate, the way he motivate the people, the way he convince them. So it is also a way. If you are in a selling sector, you can easily use this communication skill. And not in a job sector, communication play a very important role in each sector. You can convince people, even people will never forget you if you have a good communication skill. So that's it.
Nice.
I have many examples of communication skill. As we know that a prime minister is also have a good communication skill. That's why he is winning last 10 to 15 years. And after that, our external minister, he has also a good communication skill. That's why he are communicating with all the world, and he made the good bond with between the country. And last one is example is Armstrong Palmer, who made the road with the communication of the people for between the people to collect the money to make the roads. It was his good communication with the people. That's why he done very good things in the India, and he is also famous for he is also famous UPSC exams.
Well explained, guys. Here you all give much example, and here I also have one example of our family only. Like what usually we do in our family, like we ask food, money from them, but we never ever talk to them on the daily basis how their life is going on. So it is just like a communication example. And at the end, I just want to say communication is not all about speaking. It's just like a understanding. If you have a thought in your mind and you can understand everything, so communication skill will help you on the next level.
Okay, as this is the beginning of 2025, okay, so where do you want to see yourself at the last of 2025? Means what are the skills, what are the things you want to develop, either in the terms of materialistic or non-materialistic? What are the things you want to achieve within this year?
The thing which I want to achieve in this year called 2025 is that now today when I am sitting in Buddha English Academy, I am a child who's just speaking, but I want to be the one at the last of 2025, a mature child to speak, and everybody is listening me carefully, and I would want to be the best, a good and great personality in every aspects and every field. So at least I could be the one leading and leader one.
Previous year, I scored very bad marks in maths. My school classmate knows about it. And I want to achieve good marks in maths in this year. It's about final or midterm. I want to achieve, and I want to be a good student in my school, because my behavior in school is not good. Because in PTM, my teacher told everything whatever I do in school, and I got scolded in home.
Okay, guys, in this year I would like to increase my lots of things. First of all, I would like to decrease my one thing, that is procrastination. And I used to do a lot of procrastinate, and right now I am doing a procrastination. But in the last 2025, I would like to increase, I would like to remove the procrastination, and I would like to develop the communication skills and English speaking more. And third is that, I would like to go out, we can say, another country for the travel, and because I like traveling.
In this year, I want to achieve my various type of skills, but right now I am focusing on communication skills and web development skills because these skills are more important to me as compared to my job background. So after these skills, I want to get a job this year, and after job, I want to travel more, and these are my hobbies. This is my hobby, and that's why I am right now achieving for these skills.
So in the last of the 2025, I want to see myself as an IS officer. I want to clear this year. I want to literally clear this exam, and I want to improve my communication skill. I want to work on my English, and apart from this, I'm teaching students. So I want to grow that institute also. So there are multiple things which I want to improve in my soft skills, and even I want to develop so many other things. So I am working on this such kind of things, and I know I will achieve it after the end of 2025.
Thank you so much. Guys, what are the personality traits? The next question is, what are the personality traits every human being should have?
What do I conceive that one should have that kind of personality trait, that is the better communication skill? Because the personality, this is not a personality trait. This is a way of living life. Just try to imagine if there is one person who has got good communication skills. So he would be living his life in a very good manner, and he would be able to gain so much respect from others.
See, I am on the same page as like Krishna ponders that communication skills is the best skills which a person should have. So same, I also want to say that communication skills are the best personality what you should have, because if you have communication skills, so you can communicate to anyone properly.
The best piece of personality trait that one should inculcate within themselves is being the gratitude towards everything, each and everything. Because these days, the most ignored skill is of gratitude. People are not saying thankful to their parents. People are not saying thankful to each and everything that we have got in our life. We have got such a beautiful body, but we are not respecting this body. We are eating junk food, we are doing a lot more things, and I believe this, we can say, skill should be inculcated in each and everybody.
There are many personality traits, but one of it is confidence, because I am lacking confidence while speaking with everybody. I have knowledge, but I cannot deliver that knowledge in that specific way. That's why I'm lacking so much confidence while in examination or sitting in exam. I always lack my confidence. That's why I'm suffering 2 to 3 years of journey, and now I want to develop that confidence so that I will be able to clear my exam this year.
Okay, so there are so many personality traits a human being should have, and one of it is a feeling of gratitude. Because whenever we have a feeling of gratitude, so we can make our life even better, and we can live this life with a joy.
In my point of view, we should add in our personality trait, and that is humbleness and down to earth. If you are educated, if you are not, but when a people decide to meet to you, so they think who are you and what is your nature and how is your nature. So I think we should add this down to earth.
Well, it seems to be impossible without mentioning behavior when we are telling about personality traits and how one should be a good personality. Without behavior, how we can be? Well, if I talk about behavior, so it's the most important thing once you are a good personality. Just imagine a moment when you have become a very famous human being in front of everybody. Now, you are not respecting them. So once what they will do, they will stop So they will stop respecting you, and they will not let you be much more better next time. So I want to say that increase your behavior in a better way, so at least everybody would respect you.
I would like to go with positive mindset, as we know that with positive mindset we can do many great things, and because of that we can achieve everything, because in this era we all get depressed and get tensed very easily. So in that we really need to have positive mindset. So do have this.
There is a one personality we should have, that is listening power. Like when we in this era we don't listen to another person, and we do whatever we want, and we did. And so if we have a good personality of the listening, and we have a personality to listen to another person, we have a capacity to listen, so we can do, and we can understand the another situations, and we can suggest them and do a lot of things.
Okay, I do believe that having the personality trait of the hunger of learning can be one of the most imperative or the major skill or a personality trait one should have. I believe learning never ends. And if you are having hunger, a will, or a personality trait that makes you a learner, every time a learner can make you top notch, because it is a skill, a will, or a hunger which can destroy someone, moreover can make someone's life.